Hello everyone, and welcome to the showcase of our ECE 3710 final project. This project uses two microcontrollers to play a game similar to Bop-it. It has three modes, and we shall demonstrate them one by one. Upon plugging in a single microcontroller, you will have access to the menu. However, without the second microcontroller, all options but endless mode will be unavailable. In endless mode, a series of inputs will display on the screen. By mimicking them on the blue joystick, a new one will appear. You have unlimited time to press it, and the time shortens after each input. Upon running out of time, or pressing the wrong direction, a bar on the side of the screen will disappear. These represent your lives, and once they are all gone, the game ends, and the score representing total inputs will display. If the message being displayed is too long to fit on the screen, it will rotate around so that it all is visible. After the second microcontroller is connected, the menu will change. Now a prompt will appear asking for player 1 to press the center button. When one of the microcontrollers do this, the other will be set to the second player and will wait for a mode to be selected. Two-player endless is similar to normal endless mode. The difference is that the game will end when one player loses, so the goal is to last longer than your opponent, rather than to get the highest score. The final mode is versus mode. In this mode, player 1 will create 15 inputs, after which they will be sent to player 2. If player 2 successfully mimics the inputs, player 1 will input 15 more directions for the second round. If player 2 reaches the end of round 3, they will win, but if they don't, they lose. So what do these wires do? Well, let's look at this diagram we made. There are 9 wires used to have the microcontrollers communicate. The 2 pins you see here are used to detect if 2 controllers are connected. This is what prevents you from entering 2-player modes when only one controller is plugged in. The next 2 wires are used to send inputs from player 1 to player 2. You might notice these wires don't have arrows. This is because the direction they go depend on which player you are, with player 1 being the output. The inputs are sent as 2 bits. Inputs can be represented with these values. The mode wire, like the input wires, are also conditionally directional. Its purpose is to tell player 2 whether it is in versus mode or endless mode. The acknowledgement wires are used in conjunction with the input wires. When player 1 sends an input, its outputting acknowledgement wire is turned on, signaling that player 2 should receive it. Once player 2 receives the input, it will power its acknowledgement wire to tell player 1 to send another. Without these wires, a single input could be read as multiple inputs. The last 2 wires are simple. They are used to have one microcontroller tell the other microcontroller that it has lost, therefore ending the game. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.